ये देखो पकड़ेगा ना, ज़रा सा पीछे रखा करो। देखो राइट नाउ आई, if you remember, I have told you about this. What they did was they have black colored cup and white colored cup. They have hot water in this. This becomes cooler quickly because it's a bigger, it's a good emitter of heat, because it will heat up but it will lose its heat also very quickly. This is still not an emitter, it's not a black color, so it will not lose its heat very quickly. So
But
it
doesn't
some
black stuck
liquid
on the
in black will not remain hot for a long time unless it is rough in surface. So if the inside is black in color and the cup is outside white, then it will remain for black
Okay.
heated up for a long time. Do you understand? Here what they did was they have a white surface and a black surface. When you put a heater over here, radiator, what will happen? This white surface will not get heated up that quickly, but it will get heated up. Why? Because it is black in color. That is what is shown. That is why if you see the pipes, जो कुछ लोगों के सोलर पैनल्स के पीछे ही पाइप्स होते हैं, क्योंकि वो पाइप्स जो होते हैं कैरी करते हैं वाटर को, और क्योंकि सोलर पैनल्स ब्लैक ब्लैक कलर के होते हैं, या अगर अपने पाइप्स को आपने ब्लैक कर दिया तो वो अंदर जितना पानी होगा वो ब्लैक हो जाएगा, वो हीटेड अप हो जाएगा, सॉरी नॉट ब्लैक, कैसे हो सकता है। अच्छा, अब इसी को चीज़ को कंडक्शन, कन्वेक्शन और रेडिएशन को जहन में रखते हुए छोटे छोटे वीडियोस बनाओ जवेरिया, नहीं तो। अच्छा, अब नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी कंडक्शन, कन्वेक्शन एंड रेडिएशन। कंडक्शन, convection and radiation. What are we going to see today is very important. Please pay attention to this. Now very important thing is, if you are going for a picnic to Gadani, for example, it takes you nearly half a day to reach there by your car. If you are going at a good normal 70-80 kilometers per hour of speed, still it will take you till the afternoon to reach that place. Okay.
Yes.
By that time, if you have a cup of cold drink or a hot beverage, hot tea inside a thermal, inside a flask or something, it will get cooled down, isn't it? With time, obviously it doesn't take time to cool a cup of hot tea. It doesn't take that much time. So how to keep the tea hot for half of your day and reach there and still be able to drink a hot cup of tea when you reach Gadani was a difficult task for the scientist. So they had to stop loss of heat through conduction, they had to stop loss of heat due to convection, and they had to stop the loss of heat through radiation. Okay, so what they did was they invented a glass which is known as a thermos flask. Okay, now just wait a minute, fix the camera. Thermos flask, can you see the inside of the thermos flask, please? Can you focus this? This is a thermos flask, normal flask, which is having a cover, lid, and look at the inside. The interesting thing is inside. It's made of mirror and glass. Can you see that? Now we are going to discuss about this. Now we are going to talk about the thermos flask. What is a thermos flask? It is a glass. Okay. Thermos flask, Javeri, can you hold this? Thermos flask is actually made of glass, a small tube or a small bottle which is made of glass. Now they have another glass on top of it, double glass. And what they do is, between two of these glasses, they remove the air from here. Can you see that? You are removing the air from the flask from here. Can you Please zoom in this portion. Can you see that? I have removed the air from here. This is vacuum between these two glasses, and the inside of the glass is painted with silver color, silver paint, to make the glass appear like a mirror from the inside. Okay, तो ये अंदर की तरफ से painted होता है with the silver paint, so that the glass inside appears silvery, or it appears like a mirror. Now it has vacuum. What happens is vacuum, through the vacuum, conduction goes from particle to particle through solid, isn't it? Conduction occurs from particle to particle in solid. There are no particle to particle. Okay, this glass inside will get heated up when you put hot water in it. You have put hot बॉइलिंग वाटर. अब क्या हुआ, हॉट बॉइलिंग वाटर जो है इस पूरे अंदर के ग्लास को हॉट कर देगा, मगर क्या हुआ, उस वो हीट को इस वाले ग्लास तक ट्रांसफ़र नहीं कर सकती. क्यों? क्योंकि देयर आर नो पार्टिकल टू पार्टिकल कनेक्शन, बिकॉज वैक्यूम है.
But what about radiation?
ओके, कंडक्शन हमने देख लिया. इट हैज़ कैंसल्ड आउट कंडक्शन. ओके, द सेकेंड थिंग इज कन्वेक्शन. कन्वेक्शन में पानी के होने की ज़रूरत है, मतलब कोई लिक्विड होने की ज़रूरत है या कोई एयर होने की ज़रूरत है जिसके थ्रू कन्वेक्शन करंट क्रिएट हो सके. द वाटर कैन, द हीटेड वाटर विल गो अप and come down, go up and come down.
And heat
Why?
itself.
It will keep on heating itself. Why? Because maybe through conduction this inner wall will become heated up, but there is no liquid or air in between these two walls to let the convection current be created, so that the heat can be released outwards. So heat still remains inward. It remains in. It cannot get out through conduction and through convection. So our conduction is cancelled out and our convection is cancelled out. Now, radiation is the only possibility whereby the conduction and convection, when it is not working, the sun rays comes through a vacuum between two planets and the sun. When because there is vacuum between planet and the sun, so it is still able to reach us. Why? Because it is hot, and heat does not need a medium to pass through radiation. The heat reaches us. But here what happens is we are reflecting that. What are we doing? We are reflecting that. Okay, so what is going to happen is, again, now the radiation has been stopped due to the mirror.
But how?
Due to the mirror, the heat is reflected back inside.
Oh, I get it.
रेडिएशन को ज़रूरत है. वैक्यूम से भी गुजर सकती है, इसको हीट कर सकती है, बट बिकॉज द मिरर इज देयर, द मिरर्ड surface is there, it will reflect the heat whenever if this थ्रू कंडक्शन इतने से पोर्शन में कन्वेक्शन के करंट की वजह से अगर ये हीटेड अप भी हो जाती है एयर, तो ये जब टकराएगी तो ये रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगी ओवर हियर. इट विल गेट रिफ्लेक्टेड एंड देयरफॉर नो रेडिएशन ईदर. And it can get released from here, but then we have stopper over there, which is white in color. If you observe the stopper, just wait a minute, pause, observe the stopper or the screw over here is white in color. Why? Because it will reflect the light, the heat, sorry, not the light, it will reflect the heat back inside, so the heat is not lost. So before, in the old days, sometimes some of the thermos flasks have black stoppers, but now they have found out no, the black stopper is able to conduct the heat outside, so they stopped using black inside the stopper. They started using white to reflect the heat inside back.
But anyways, after a few days, it does.
Of course.
But how?
Of course.
How?
Because even the glass is a material.
Why?
Glass is a material which can conduct. Although the glass may be a very good insulator, but it's not a complete insulator.
So a little bit goes through.
That little bit is so less that it
Takes a long time.
imagine 18 hours flight in aeroplanes. The water remains steamy hot all through the flight.
Yes.
So imagine that. Thermos flask is a very genius and very important invention of our times. So this is the thermos flask. That is what the three parts are showing. The three important points are that the stopper reduces the heat loss by conduction and convection. The space between the walls, that is the vacuum, also stops the heat loss due to conduction and convection. The silver lining is the only one which stops the heat loss by रेडिएशन. सो ये 3 पॉइंट आपका. स्टॉपर जो है कंडक्शन कन्वेक्शन को रोकता है, वैक्यूम जो है कंडक्शन कन्वेक्शन को रोकता है, बट सिल्वर लाइनिंग रिमूव स्टॉप्स द हीट लॉस ड्यू टू रेडिएशन. ओके, किसने बनाया था? सर जेम्स दीवार. दीवार है दीवार कर दिया मैंने. ओके, ये सर जेम्स जो दीवार थे, इन्होंने अपना दीवार में सर मारा था और थर्मोस फ्लास्क बना लिया था. थर्मोस कंपनी वाज द फर्स्ट टू मास प्रोड्यूस वैक्यूम फ्लास्क फॉर एवरी डे यूज. सो 1892 में बना है.